Hello, good morning students. We were studying about the frog friends, correct, yesterday. Look before you leap. When you jump somewhere, at that time you should see whether the place where you are jumping is good or correct or not. And then same thing happens with the frogs. I told you that as it was rainy season, all animals were living in the pond. There were fishes who used to dart in the water, and there were two frog friends. They used to play on the lily pad, on the leaves of lily flower. Water lilies are there or not? There are some lilies, they grow only in water. So those flowers have leaves, okay, leaves are there to those flowers, and those leaves are very broad. How are those leaves? Those leaves are the leaves of water lily are so broad, and when we see these broad leaves, easily small insect can stay on it. And what this little frogs used to do, two of them were there, they were best friends. They used to play from one pad to another, second pad to third pad to fourth pad. And when it started raining, when rainy season started, they used to enjoy because they used to get lot of food to eat in the pond, correct? And they used to enjoy in the rain. They used to play for whole day and they used to enjoy. After rainy season, now rainy season remains for whole year or what? No. Once the rainy season gets over, then starts winter. And then winter season started, and then it became water was there in the pond. There was sufficient water for frogs to live. But as it was very cold, okay, as it was very cold in the pond, then they made a small place on the edge of pond, and that place was very cozy. Cozy means what? Little warm it was. थोडं गरम जागेवरती त्यांनी ते स्वतःचं घर तयार केलं. And they used to eat food, and then they used to go and sleep and rest in the house which was prepared on the edges of the pond. Understood? Now after winter season, which season will approach? There will be summer season. Then as soon as summer season comes closer, what happens? The water in the pond starts drying. Fishes are getting vanished because they die. As there is no water in the pond, what will happen to fish? They will die. So frogs did not get more food to eat. As it was very hot, they need water to drink, they need a little cold area to stay. They do not get it. Then what happens? Then they thinks of leaving the pond and search some another place where they will get sufficient water to drink and sufficient food to eat. Then what happens? That we will study in the story further. Now here it is. Soon it was summer. I am reading here. Soon it was summer. Take out your page number 37. Soon it was summer. Now the days became very hot. With the hot sun blazing in the sky, the pond began to dry. Without water, the lilies dried up. The lilies, water lilies were there in the pond. They dried up. म्हणजे ते काय झाले? जळाले. Okay. There were very few insects to be found. There were very few insects left in the pond because frogs eat insects. You know it very well. And as there will be less insects in the pond, frog will get sufficient food to eat or what? No, because they eat insects. And then as there were very few insects in the pond, the frog friends were worried. Because whatever food they need, whatever food they require for their livelihood, if that food is going to get reduced or if it will become less, what will happen? They will be worried. Then they think something that is given further. Do you think the whole pond will dry up? One frog friend is saying to other, looks like it, said the other. One friend is saying, do you think this pond will dry up? The other friend is saying, yes, I think, yes, the pond will dry up. Then what happens further? What shall we do then? How shall we leave? The first friend is saying, now if water will dry up, then how shall we leave? Where we will go? So second friend tells him that we must search a place where there is plenty of water and food for us. You are right. It is hard work traveling in this hot sun, but there is no other way. Come, let us start. The sooner the better. If we travel together, the search will be easier. So the frogs left the drying pond and began to look for watery place. They hopped and became very tired. Hopping, you know, yes or no, hopping. They go from one place to another by jumping. It is called hopping, okay. They hopped and became very tired. Just then one of them saw a well in the distance. They rushed to the well. The well was built in stone and had a high circular wall. The frogs hopped onto the wall and peeped inside. What they did? They peeped inside. What is there? The well was quite deep, but there was a lot of water still left at the bottom of the well. The friends began to jump for joy. We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this well. Now what happened here? They decided to leave the place. They decided that we will go and search some watery place. And then as soon as they keep on hopping, what happens? There is less water to drink. There is no water to drink because of summer season. And as there is sunshine, what will happen? The water which is there in their body will evaporate. त्यांच्या शरीरात जे पाणी आहे ते काय होणार? उन्हामुळे कमी होणार. It will evaporate. And then they become more tired. As they are hopping in the hot sun, what happens to them? They become more tired, and then they see in a short distance that there is a small well. Well means what? Vihir. Okay. And then one friend says that, hey, see there is a well, and in that well if water will be there, then what we will do? We will stay in that well. So they hopped on the walls of the well. That well was made of stones. दगडाची तयार केलेली होती ती विहीर. Okay. And then they peeped inside. When they peeped inside, they saw little water at the bottom of the well. What they did? They saw little water at the bottom of the well. If this is well, they saw little water at the bottom of the well. Now what they will take decision? They will jump out from here. Will they jump out? Yes, because they want water to drink. So they will decide now what they are doing, that we will see in the story further. Now here it is. Here it is told that if we travel together, the search will be easier. No, here it is. I am reading here. We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this well. One frog friend is saying that we are very fortunate. We are lucky that we saw this well, and I thank God that we found this well. Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. We have found a new home. Let's jump in together. 1, 2. The other friend is saying, wait friend, this well is so deep and there is water left only at the bottom. Now what one friend is saying? One friend is saying that come on, let us go. This is our now second house. Let us jump in the well. But other friend is saying, wait. There is only water at the bottom of the well. But we can surely dive in. Dive in means what? We can jump in water. Dive in means what? How they dive? They dive first with their head, and then remaining part of the body goes in the water. But we can surely dive in. However deep the well may be, diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? It has occurred to me that this well is also drying up. If it dries up completely, we will have to leave this well too. I agree, but why do you hesitate now? It's because I see a problem. We can easily dive into the well, but what if the well dries up? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of this wall? Shall we able to leave the well like we left the pond? You are right, friend, said the other frog. I had not thought of this. It is good that you could foresee this problem. Let's now not leap inside. Let's continue with our search. And so the two little frogs hopped on to look for the safe shelter. How well it is said, look before you leap. One friend is saying, "Arey, come on, water is there, it is second house. Now at present we can stay or not in this wells." Yes, but other one is saying, you think of future. After some days, after 4 or 5 days, water in the well will dry. पाणी सगळं संपल्यानंतर मग तू काय करशील? तू इथनं उडी मारू शकेल का वरती? You have over that much guts that you will hop from the bottom of the well till the top. Then other one is saying, yes, it is very difficult for us to jump. We cannot hop so high. So then again that second frog is saying, okay, we will not stay in well. We will go and search for another place where there will be water. And then first frog is saying that it is said, many scientists have said this, that look before you leap. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही बघत नाही व्यवस्थित तोपर्यंत उडी मारू नका. Understood? You should forecast. Forecast means you should look. You should foresee means what? Foresee means to know in advance. Meaning of foresee, F-O-R-E. Foresee means to look in advance. Meaning of foresee or to know. To know in advance. And leap means what I told you first only. Leap means jump. Understood? In this way we have completed lesson. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, next week I will give you question answers of the lesson. You will have to complete question answers and be little fast. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.